Hi everyone, today we will do some advanced shorthand phrases. ये वैसे phrases हैं जो कि लीगल डिक्टेशंस में बहुत ही यूज़ होते हैं। ऐसे टर्म्स अगर हम यूज़ करते हैं तो हम लीगल डिक्टेशन बहुत स्पीड में लिख सकते हैं। फर्स्ट नंबर पे हम एज stated above। तो as stated above ये हम कैसे इस फ्रेज़ को हम लिख सकते हैं। We'll give a small circle as stated and above के लिए नीचे से as stated above। सेकंड में है as stated earlier। as stated के लिए सेम, we'll give a small circle and above के लिए तो as stated above। थर्ड में है alleged to have been। so how we can write alleged, this will be above the line, alleged to have and been, alleged to have and been। Fourth, as stated before, so we can write it as stated and before के लिए we can give a small line, so as stated before। फिफ्थ में है grant in aid, so we know how we can write grant we can write it like this, grant in के लिए small and aid, grant in aid। And sixth, it is apart from the fact, apart from the fact that, from the fact that, apart we can write it from the fact that, apart from the fact that। सेवेंथ नंबर पे है by of, so by के लिए ऐसे and means of एक के साथ लिख सकते हैं, by means of। 8 में है it must be proved, so it के लिए हम लोग लाइन must be proof, तो it must be proof। 9th में है in order to, in order to के लिए एक छोटा सा in order to, in order to, in order to। 10th के लिए है हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम, H हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम, H के लिए हिंदू और मुस्लिम के लिए जस्ट M, हिंदू मुस्लिम, हिंदू and Muslim, so this way we can write Hindu and Muslim। 11th में है additional, एडिशनल हम लोग एडिशनल और इनकम के लिए जस्ट डिक्लाइन, तो एडिशनल इनकम। As you like. As you like, we can write a small circle and a line. So as you like. After a while. So after a while, we will write it across the line. After a while. After a while. 14 में है as stated by him. So we can write it as stated के लिए we'll give a big circle, by him, as stated by him. Charge sheet. So charge sheet we can write it charge sheet, charge sheet. और चार्ज शीट हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, चार्ज शीट. So for today only this much. Thank you.